In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow up faster with Pipedrive in 3 minutes. We're going to set up a simple automation so your follow-up emails go out automatically, without you needing to remember a thing. This is perfect for staying on top of deals and keeping conversations warm. Start by opening Pipedrive and looking at the left-hand sidebar. Click the three dots icon to open the extended menu. From there, select Automations. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a templates section that gives you ready-made options to get started quickly. Pick the follow-up template if you want a quick setup, or choose to create your own from scratch if you'd like full control. Templates are great because they already include common triggers and actions, and you can still customize them. Next, set it up by choosing the right trigger. Think about the moment that should start your follow-up. For example, you might trigger an email when a deal moves to a new stage, when an activity is marked as done, or when a new contact is added. Add conditions to narrow it down, like filtering by pipeline or deal status, so you don't send messages at the wrong time. It's also smart to add a short delay, such as a few hours or a day, so your message doesn't feel robotic or instant. Now edit the email template that will be sent. Write a clear subject line, keep the body friendly and concise, and add a clear next step. Personalize it with fields like the person's name or the deal title to make it feel human. Keep your tone consistent with your brand and make sure your signature looks right. If your account supports it, choose the email address you want the message to come from and double-check the reply to address. A quick test to yourself is always a good idea to make sure placeholders and formatting look correct. When everything looks good, click Save and then Activate. You should see the automation status switch to active. From now on, the workflow will run automatically whenever your trigger conditions are met. If you need to pause it, you can come back here and toggle it off at any time. To recap, you opened the three dots menu, went to Automations, selected a follow-up template or started from scratch, set the correct trigger, edited the email template, and then saved and activated it. That's all you need to follow up faster in Pipedrive. Keep it simple at first. Name your automation clearly, so you can find it later, and add a small delay to keep messages natural. You're all set to save time and never miss a follow-up again.